I think we gotta let her go sometime to check it out. This one. Oh my God, that is such a good picture. I can see it from here. Now Big Ass is coming through.
In the way. Gracie.
Gracie. Marie.
Gracie, come here. Gracie, come here. Come here.
Hi, Grace. She listens to you.
Gracie.
He's so cute. I keep calling them she's. Because we've had she's for so long. Are you sending him that?
I will.
No?
I will.
Here comes Fatty again.
In the way.
Sassy even tried to bite Gracie.
She's mad.
And Hank is getting tired. And his foot is stuck.
Look at him. Look at him.
I'm going to tell Kate you lied to us. Gus is the bad one, not Hank.
Just fell over. Oh, there they go.
But he's fast.
Mm-hmm.
Even for not his legs being not developed or whatever, not strong. You want to come back up? You done checking it out? Don't go on Mama's shirt.